Unfortunately, not all owners of apartments and private houses can boast of a spacious living room. Due to various circumstances, this room has small dimensions, which complicates its design. At the same time, everyone wants to highlight this area, make it more interesting and attractive. In this article we will talk about how to properly decorate the interior of a small living room, make it beautiful and original, taking into account various nuances and recommendations. Features of a small living room. Modern design ideas for a small living room allow the owner of an apartment or house to go beyond when choosing style, decor or color schemes. Even in a small room, you can create a comfortable and cozy atmosphere, provide the necessary conditions for a good rest of the household. Of course, the interior of a small living room is distinguished by an abundance of light colors, light sources and compact furniture. The main condition when designing a small space is not to overload the decor of the room. It is important to maintain 3 zones. As mentioned earlier, the key feature is the abundance of light sources, because artificial lighting fills the room with light, making it more spacious. It is important that there are no contradictions and sharp contrasts. The lines of the interior should be concise and smooth. If the area of the room is less than 15 square meters, then there is no room for excessive decor. Paintings and photographs, thick curtains and oversized furniture, all this overloads the interior, killing the feeling of spaciousness and comfort. In order for the interior not to seem boring, it is important to use some tricks, for example, prints, abstractions and geometric patterns. When finishing the floor, ceiling and walls, it is important to choose materials that can adjust the shape of the room, making it more spacious. If the room is narrow, then vertical stripes are used on the walls, and finishing with a longitudinal wide strip is used to decorate square rooms. As for furniture, it should be comfortable and functional. It is better to remove unnecessary items. Dividing a small living room into zones, you can use screens and partitions, glass or mirror elements. Visually increase the space allows mirrors and glossy surfaces, stretch ceiling. Small living room in different styles. During the renovation of the living room, the homeowner can choose not only finishing materials, furniture and colors, but also a style that will influence the further choice of materials. Most designers recommend paying attention to the classic style, which attracts with its lightness and elegance. Classic is the use of neutral tones and calm colors. A glass or crystal chandelier will fill the space with white light, and mirrors in a gold frame will add coziness and demonstrate the status of the owner of an apartment or a private house.